This is directly directed towards Popcaan. Right, so. Take your spot in the Sunday Gleaner then. Everybody know a dream of them. Clot up the rifle in the pussy hole skin. Tell the boy don't dream again. I will sing. And I'm gonna live for 17 and dream, 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 nice. Remember the song there? Mavado is still definitely throwing blows at Popcaan. Whether Popcaan want in the war or not, him still a get some things, hot things that come for him with. Welcome to Soulflow TV again, everybody. Is your host with the most. Watch out. Today we come to talk about that one here. No. This here one here at the same Brawla. Mavado just released Brawla and Brawla chop up the blouse and skirt internet right now. Alright? So, we done do a video today already. If you've been on Soulflow TV, you've seen it. The video I talk about how Mavado sent direct shots at Vybz Kartel. Why? Right? I mean, I said, boy, I hope that Vybz Kartel is in a position. Right now, I pray saying my record from prison here, sir. Because at that time, only way I'm going to be able to keep up with what going right here, sir. Because I'm going to go up to the time answer the way how Mavado deal with the thing right now. And that me I say. I don't know, say, guys, I'm saying about me also say I support all of the artists them right across the board. Right? A dancer, I will say, all together. Like Kartel said, dancer, with everything. See that? So, what we come to talk about in this particular video now is how Mavado is actually still beating Popcaan, even though Popcaan no want apartheid. So right now this is like you fight somebody when no want to fight you no more, dog. Right? But he still a throw licks on the man. You see it? Cause people are wondering, and I was wondering too. I've heard Mavado release track after track when I talk about certain things in the song them, and me I say, it sound like him still a flag Popcaan. Right? But me don't know directly if him still a flag Popcaan. In this track that's released recently, this a track named Brawla. In a Brawla, not only is he directly addressing Vybz Kartel, but he is directly addressing Popcaan also. I mean, Popcaan know say him still a fling blows after him. Right? So, going through the words and dissecting the words of Brawla. After me murder the son, turn me gun upon the father. The man say after I murder the son, turn the gun upon the father. Remember, you know, him say, put more so I can step past the father and murder the son. Right? Now him say, after me murder the son, turn me gun upon the father. A Popcaan, he come and say, you can't kill none of my father. Father Romy or Adija Palmer. Right? So, see it here? What Mavado is doing right here is proclaiming the victory in that little clash thing with it going. Even though I'm saying, I don't really see no victory because the big Poppy exit stage left and left the thing and gone. So, there's no victory. We just have to take the thing from which part it end. See? So Mavado let we know right away so after I murder the son, which is Popcaan. It is Popcaan. So after I murder the son, him turn him gun upon the father, which is Vybz Kartel. Right? Go decide deal with the pussy them like what Israel do to Gaza. I want to see what Israel do to Gaza and them shell down the place every friggin' day. This a broad daylight slaughter, broad day slaughter. People are asking where the war for. So everybody is saying, okay Mavado, okay, don't beat him. Speaking of Popcaan, everybody has said, Mavado, don't beat him, man. The man don't want no war no more. So Mavado has said, I deal with them like how Israel do Gaza. Like just shelling down for no reason at all. Other than, yo, me just don't like them boy because they gonna call up my name. Shellings. You see? So, this a broad day slaughter and people are asked where the war for. My dogs, them a Brawla, Mavado said. The scholars and the squalor. We no beg friend in a place. We take over. Boy place make them have to run out. Alright? So, him a say, so, if you think say you bad, bumble hole. Me there road and wait till you come out. Right? So I'm going to talk about Vybz Kartel right there, which we addressed in the other video. May I look for the part them to tell us your Popcaan directly my talk about. And my friend them a bust head in your place and you know that. That's what he's saying. So in other words then, it might make we also know, say that's why Popcaan up on the up and go and running right now. Because as some gully youth a bust head in a them place there, which part Popcaan them are run and Vybz Kartel ends. Right? Where Popcaan say I control them ends there. And the killy them there around there, so Mavado make you know say in this song and my friends them a bust head in your place. You know that, him say. And especially this part here where he says them soft like crackers in a porridge. Paste them up like maccas in a forest. The pussy come and talk about koof, cough, queff. Kick out! Who said that? Koof, cough, queff, kick out. I'm willing to bet that was Unruly that said koof, cough, queff, kick out, kick me if I'm wrong. And koof, cough, queff started with him. So Popcaan said koof, cough, queff. Mavado come and said the pussy come and talk about koof, cough, queff. The caretaker left him stink like cabbage. Again, Papi I get beaten. Even though him not dead if he take the beating like him no want no part of the fight. Right? Bad man not throw word, so pussy call name. That part was for Vybz Kartel in the song. We explained that already. Where Kartel talk about the domino them gone go play and before him say pass him pass away. And Mavado answer the part and say bad man not throw word, so pussy call name. Me not play domino or itch up on lane. So that was for Kartel. Portmore say beat them. This part is again for Popcaan. Popcaan get flag again. Watch this. Portmore say beat them. Remember say Popcaan go around now and say Portmore and place on these things. Portmore say beat them. Corn grain come and fire straight shot. You know sister you can't aim. Man ready for burn them up. Fireball flame. Portmore say beat them. Corn grain. Popcaan. Corn grain. Corn grain. Come and fire straight shot. You know, sister, you can't aim. Man ready to burn them up. Fireball flame. Alright. I think in this song, Brawla, jabs were taken at Adidja Palmer, aka Vybz Kartel from Mavado. But Popcaan equally get a whipping in another song here. Like at the same amount of beating him get, or if not more. I'm going on with more right now. Pre the verse here now. Again, or this line again. Him a talk about Popcaan again. So it's like Mavado still a war with Popcaan, even though Popcaan saying no war and gone about him business. Mavado is upon a all-out war rampage. Mavado said fuck that, no peace. No peace. Me I go and murder everything same way. See it? So this is your aftermath after the hurricane. So before was a hurricane, right? When them run through Popcaan, them a say and tear up him thing, mash up him sitting. And him a say, no, this is the aftermath after the hurricane. Pussy, a sus on the phone talk, them a die, see him. Alright, so the part there in the song where Vybz Kartel said something about sus on the phone and thing. We get past that. That was for Kartel, right? This part, with a Popcaan sing Dream. And Mavado said, take your spot in the Sunday Gleaner then. Front page him, front page him. Right now, right? Everybody know and dream of them. Clot up the rifle in the pussy wall skin. Tell the boy no dream again. Beaten again for Popcaan. Right? You don't see a team of them. Mavado is also addressing the link up with DeMarco and Vybz Kartel. Alright? With the Mercy and all them other things there. He must say, you don't see say a team of them. Me no need a team of friend. Sandy Park met boy last and fine with gunshot in of them. Alright? So, I was wondering before and people kept asking me, SoFlo TV, yo SoFlo, you have to go, do you think that Popcaan, even though Popcaan out of the thing and gone on to other things, do you think that Mavado is still firing shots at Popcaan? Him still a throw darts at Popcaan? I am convinced now that he is. I didn't hear anything else before that was more direct than this is in Brawla. I never hear anything else before that is or could have insinuated, but this is direct. This is direct. There's no doubt he's talking about Popcaan in this year. Alright? So, hear me I say. It's like Mavado come out with that song of Brawla and him really go for the father and him go for his son again. And after him kill his son, it's like him a dig up the son and try to kill him again. Me don't know I didn't say the man kill the man, but for those who said he did kill him, it's like him a dig him up for kill him again then. Since him say him kill him already, me think him a dig him up for kill him again then, cause a bear shot a fire after Popcaan and this or something here. Now people gonna look on the channel, you know, because we just did a video on the channel, SoFlo TV here, talking about how, not Vybz Kartel, but how Popcaan is off to bigger and better things with OVO, like him now pre the war thing right now. Right now, I'm pre the multi-million-dollar deal with Michael Jordan and Nike and the Jordan brand and Drake and OVO. Right now, them just released them own. I'm gonna see the whole thing already, man. Me I cut out right now because the video I get too long. But the comment down in the comment section here, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you don't know what we do it over here, so already it is SoFlo TV. We out.